Vast, imposing masses of mystery drift silently through the fabric of space, bending reality itself and swallowing everything that dares to come too close. For decades, these cosmic enigmas have haunted scientists and philosophers alike, raising questions that seemed forever beyond our reach. But now, a new era has begun. With the unprecedented capabilities of modern space observatories, including the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity is finally beginning to peel back the veil surrounding the darkest objects in the universe, black holes. Today, we journey to the very edge of one of these cosmic giants to explore what science believes may exist beyond the point of no return. What truly lies inside a black hole? Is it a dead end of reality, or something far more extraordinary? The story of black holes begins over a century ago. In 1916, Albert Einstein published his general theory of relativity, a revolutionary framework that redefined gravity not as a force, but as a curvature of space and time itself. Hidden within Einstein's equations was a shocking prediction: regions of spacetime where gravity becomes so extreme that nothing, not even light, can escape. At the time, Einstein himself doubted such objects could exist in reality. For decades, black holes remained a mathematical curiosity. The term, black hole, wouldn't even be coined until the late 1960s. Many scientists dismissed the idea as an abstraction, a theoretical oddity with no physical counterpart in the universe. That skepticism would not last. In the late 1960s, astronomers studying a distant object known as Cygnus X1 noticed something profoundly strange. A massive blue star in that region was emitting intense X-rays, far more energy than such a star should produce. Further observation revealed that the star was orbiting an invisible companion. This unseen object exerted a gravitational pull so powerful that it stripped gas from the star, heating it to millions of degrees and producing X-rays as the material spiraled inward. There was only one explanation. The invisible object had enormous mass, yet emitted no light. Science had found its first strong evidence that black holes were not just theoretical, they were real. From that moment on, discoveries accelerated rapidly. Astronomers now estimate that there may be millions, possibly tens of millions, of black holes in the Milky Way galaxy alone. Some form from collapsing stars, while others, supermassive black holes, sit at the centers of galaxies, containing the mass of millions or even billions of suns. Despite their abundance, black holes remain incredibly difficult to detect. They reveal themselves only through their effects on nearby matter and light. So what exactly is a black hole? In simple terms, a black hole forms when a massive object collapses under its own gravity, compressing matter into an infinitely dense point known as a singularity. Surrounding this singularity is the event horizon, a boundary beyond which escape becomes impossible. Once anything crosses this invisible line, it is forever cut off from the rest of the universe. Gravity near a black hole behaves in ways that defy everyday intuition. If a human were to fall toward one, they would experience a phenomenon known as spaghettification, where intense tidal forces stretch the body into a long, thin shape before it is ultimately destroyed. While terrifying, this concept has helped scientists understand just how extreme black hole gravity truly is. Although the nearest known black hole is over 1,500 light-years away, the idea that such objects exist naturally raises unsettling questions. Could a black hole ever threaten Earth? Under current understanding, the answer is no, but their mere existence challenges our assumptions about stability in the universe. In 2019 and later refined in 2021, humanity achieved another historic milestone: the first direct image of a black hole. Captured by the Event Horizon Telescope, the image showed the supermassive black hole at the center of galaxy M87. It was not a photograph in the traditional sense, but a composite image formed by linking radio telescopes across the globe. What it revealed changed everything. The image confirmed that black holes are not simply empty voids. Instead, they possess structure. Scientists identified three key regions: the outer accretion disk of superheated matter, the event horizon itself, and the shadow, a dark region shaped by extreme gravitational lensing. This visual evidence gave weight to decades of theory and opened new pathways for research. The singularity, however, remains the ultimate mystery. It is a region where density becomes infinite and the laws of physics as we know them collapse. Inside a singularity, space and time cease to behave in familiar ways. Our equations break down. Cause and effect blur. Reality itself becomes undefined. And here lies the greatest challenge: black holes cannot be studied directly. No probe can survive entry. No signal can escape from within the event horizon. Scientists are forced to study them indirectly, observing how they distort space, warp light, and influence surrounding matter. Yet speculation persists. One compelling idea suggests that black holes are not endpoints, but gateways. According to this hypothesis, the singularity may connect to another region of spacetime, a wormhole, potentially leading to another galaxy or even another universe. If true, black holes could serve as cosmic bridges, shortcuts across unimaginable distances. Another theory proposes that black holes are remnants of a deeper reality, possibly tied to the fundamental structure of spacetime itself. Some physicists speculate that information is not destroyed inside black holes, but encoded on their surface, a concept known as the holographic principle. In this view, the universe itself may behave like a hologram, with three-dimensional reality emerging from two-dimensional information. At the far edge of speculation lies an even more radical idea: that black holes are not physical objects at all, but projections, cosmic illusions created by the limits of human perception and mathematics. According to some researchers, what we interpret as black holes may be manifestations of deeper quantum structures that we do not yet understand. Each theory challenges our understanding of existence. Each raises more questions than answers. The James Webb Space Telescope does not see inside black holes, but it sees their surroundings with unmatched clarity. By studying how black holes influence nearby stars, gas, and dust, Webb allows scientists to test these theories with greater precision than ever before. Every observation brings us closer to understanding whether black holes are prisons of matter, engines of creation, or doorways to something beyond. Black holes are not just objects in space. They are stress tests for reality itself. They push physics to its limits and force us to confront uncomfortable truths about time, matter, and the fate of information. So what do you think lies beyond the event horizon? Is it absolute destruction, or the beginning of something entirely new? The universe is far stranger than we ever imagined, and black holes remain its most profound riddle. One thing is certain: the more we learn, the more the universe reminds us how much we still do not know.